Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do envelope mail merge. So first, how were you able to be going to the envelope mail merge? Well, first, click on your mailings. Then on your start your mail merge on your ribbon, go to start mail merge. From there, click on envelopes. Right over here, there's your different envelope sizes that you'll be able to choose. And here you can choose your printing options. So you can see where your envelope printing will be going to. So which printer it will be going to. Do you want it to be going face up, face down? You can even do a clockwise rotation. And for today, I'm going to show you for the envelope size 10, but you can also choose the USA letter 1 too if you have bigger packages, like bigger stuff you want to put inside to your envelope. But today I'll show you the standard size 10 one. Click OK, and your default return address would be right here. In the middle, this is where your letter will be mailing to. Over onto the right side, this is going to be where your mailing stamp will be, and also where your mailing address is, so where the letter's coming from. And your first step will be select recipients. You can type a new list, you can use an existing list, but for now I'm going to be using an existing list. And from here, you can go to your right and insert fields. You can start inserting the first name, and then you can enter in the last name, hit enter. From here, you can enter in the street address. Hit another enter, and from here, city, then put a comma, the state, hit 2 hard enters, space bar, then you put the zip code. From here, you can even preview the results. If everything looks good to you, you can finish and merge. From here, from the drop down, you can edit all your individual letters. So you can click all, and then all of your letters will be right here. There's right now 200 inside a database that I just loaded into. But if you see any mistakes right over here, like if you want to change your returning address, no need to worry. Just close it, don't save, and from here you can edit it directly. So for example, if you want to put Toronto, and of course it will be ON, edit individual documents again, all, and you can see right over on here, it has been changed. And this is how you do envelope mail merge. And on my next video, I'll teach you how to do labels. Hope this was helpful, and drop any comments on below on where you think I need to improve on, or if I've done any mistakes. Any feedback is more than welcome. Have a great day. Bye for now.